Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to do sorting in Excel VBA. So here is a syntax for doing sorting in Excel. First, you have to say range. What is your table range? Then sort key 1, your key column first cell. Key column first cell means on the basis of which column you are going to make the sorting. You have to identify that column. First cell in that column you have to specify in here. And order 1, your order like ascending or descending. If it is ascending, you'll be saying Excel ascending, and if it is descending, you will be saying Excel descending. And header Excel yes if your data is having headers. That means if your data is having heading, you can say what header Excel yes. Okay, so now here is an example. ws.range of A4 to F28. That means the table is starting from the cell A4 and it is going till the cell F28, and we are saying dot sort, then key 1 colon equals ws.range of B4. That means we are going to sort the table based on the B column, and in that B column table starts at B4 cell. So you need to identify the first cell in the column where you are going to, on the basis of which you are going to make the sorting. And order 1 ascending, so we are going to sort ascending, and header Excel yes, there is a heading. Okay, so we will look into this matter with an example to make you more clear. So we have an example sheet here, and I have sort by. I can choose the column name from this list, employee number, employee name, or any column name, and if I click ascending, the entire table must be sorted based on the column I select here. So if I select employee name and click ascending, I want it to be sorted based on the employee name ascending order. And if I click descending, I want it to be sorted based on the descending order. Correct? Okay. So now first task is for us to identify which column is selected by the user. Okay. So we will find a solution for that. When we find which column is selected by the user, then only we can find which is the first cell in that particular column. Okay, so for this I'm going to Visual Basic interface. So here I have already made a sub sort data ascending for doing the ascending sorting. So and I have defined the WS and I set the WS to the example sheet. So first task is for us to find the column selected by the user. Correct? Okay, so for that I will be using two variable, that is dim scol as string and dim srtrng as range. So that's a range variable, and I will add to scol is equal to ws.range of C2. That means it will take whatever value selected by the user. So in scol we will get the selected column from the user. Correct? Okay, so once we get the selected column, we need to identify which is the first cell in that particular column, to say that in the sort command. Correct? Okay, so for that we will be using an if. So I'm saying if scol, if the value coming in the scol is equal to employee number, then sort range then the sort range is equal to ws.range of A4. That means if the user is selecting employee number here, then the first cell in that column is A4. So that's what it says. So we can continue with else if. So I'm still saying else if scol equals emp name, then sort range is equal to ws.range of which range? B4. That means if the user is selecting employee name here, that is a second column. Second column means the first cell in the second column is B4. Correct? Okay. So I will continue like this. So I have repeated the steps and edited the else if depends on my requirement. See, I have changed all these things, and finally if the user is coming to the button without selecting any column, it will trigger a message box for choosing the column. Now we will write the code for the sorting. So our table starting from A4 till F28. So I'm writing like this: ws dot range of A4 to F28 dot sort. Correct? Then after that I have to say key1 colon equals the range. Correct? So I will say srt rng. So that means according to the column selected, the first cell of that column will come as the key one. Okay. Then I'm saying order 1 colon equals Excel ascending. Okay. Then I will say header colon equals Excel yes. That means what? I have the heading. So I have done with the ascending code. So what I'm going to do is, like, I will go back in here, right click, assign macro, sort data ascending. Now I will choose employee number, then I will click the ascending button. There you go, it is sorted on the basis of employee number. May try to choose a region column, then when I click ascending, it is sorted on the basis of region ascending. Then now what about this descending? So I'm going to do an easy work for that. I will copy the complete sub and put it down. Then I will change the name as sort data DESC. Then I will change here only Excel descending. Then done. Okay, I go back, right click, assign macro, then sort data descending. So now if I choose employee number ascending, it is sorted on ascending order. Descending, it is sorted on descending order. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.